Welcome to Super Stuff Unboxed.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Super Stuff Unboxed. Today we're going to be unboxing this Marvel Legends Gwenpool. That's right, this is part of the Lizard Build-A-Figure set. You'll see the completed Lizard on this channel, just an amazing set of characters. We have the Lizard torso so far ready from the Spider-Woman character, and we'll be affixing the tail on this video. You'll also be able to right now check out a little glimpse of the other characters in the set. This Mysterio has just an amazing translucent head. If you're looking to complete that Build-A-Figure set, the Spider-Punk is a little bit more classic and comes with a guitar accessory. If you're looking to build that set as opposed to how he looks on the movie. And speaking of movies, this Lizard set has a symbiote Lasher who was in that Venom 3, The Last Dance character. It comes with just an amazing lizard head. Of course, speaking of movies, there's another movie character, the Spider-Man Noir in this Lizard set. A really good quality, even comes with some guns. And then the Prowler isn't the movie version of the Prowler. This is the comic version, which is the one I prefer. And I can't wait to get all these unboxed, joining Gwen in future videos. Speaking of joining her in future videos, don't confuse Gwenpool, Gwendolyn Poole, with Gwen Stacy, also in white and masked. Gwen Stacy, Gwendolyn Poole, from the real world, who knows she is in a comic, breaking the fourth wall, similar to Deadpool, understanding comic plot devices. Gwenpool might be, I think, a little bit similar to Superboy Prime's origin, if we're talking DC. Anyways, just an amazing Build-A-Figure set to see completed on this channel. Some amazing companions, someone definitely to add to your Deadpool collection or Deadpool core. Super good figures in this Lizard set. They're getting pretty spendy, but the Lizard, as you're about to see, it looks just absolutely amazing with the detail we're going to get on the head and the size and even the tail articulation we're going to see in this Gwenpool. So super cool. Again, not Gwen Stacy though. All right, it looks like it's time to finally break the seal. Oh my gosh, look at the backpack with the little penguin. Look at the cell phone. The hand swaps that are doing the peace sign in white. These do look like the same katanas that they give you with quite a few Deadpool characters. All right. The seal has been broken. This thing's never going to go back in, so the box might get a little bit tore up in the process, and that's all right. Oh, all right. He's got herself a pink, girly background. She's got herself a lot of hands, a pair of hands that come together to make the heart. How cool is that? Extra head. We've got a peace sign, one that's going to hold a cell phone. Got another a trigger gripping hand. And then another trigger gripping other hand. Wow, so many hands. So cool. Also, this cell phone accessory is just black and plain. It does have a home screen button, so whatever. Makes it look like a cell phone that way. These do look like the exact same katanas. Let's see. Ooh, let's see how if I bent them getting them out, or no, these things are looking sharp. Nice. Nice accessory. Let's keep those there probably. We'll put in hand in a second. I don't think, now the head. Okay, look at the little tail at the end. That's so cool. Tongue sticking out for if she's taking selfies like that. Oh my goodness. What a cool, fun character. Speaking of which, yes, oh my God. Okay, this belt rotates, comes off. You would put the cell phone in a pocket so it's always on her. Okay, that is cool and smart. And the katanas do have little slips to go in with the penguin backpack. So hopefully it goes, does it go blade? Blade out or blade in? I wonder. Cross them in the back. Yeah, I think that makes it the right angle. Cool. Look at these. I love the texture on the socks. All right, the hands. These heart hands don't make a lot of sense. Let's at least switch one right now to this trigger gripping hand. Probably the other one doesn't make a lot of sense either to be half a heart. Unless I'm doing those. Trigger gripping. Okay, classic Marvel Legend articulation. The belt moves around a little. I'm liking this head a lot. Yo, cool character. I'm very happy. Speaking about being happy, let's check out this tail. This thing is humongous. Ooh, we went right through these old little ties that they used to do. Okay, we've got two-tone tail, different design. Yeah, this thing was, oh, there's a little piece stuck in there. This thing is really long. I'm loving the size. All right, let's see what you guys can see and see how easy it is to snap in this giant tail. Live on the video. Ooh, come on. Is it in? Yeah. It's in, or is it? That's a little bit more pushed. That's better. Yeah, it would have come out. Okay. All right, there's no arms actually keeping this coat on, so you can see it a little bit better. The connection. Okay. I'll take it. You know, does this happen to have any wiggle room for? No, but I love it anyway. Cool. That will definitely help them stand when it comes time to fix the legs. Stay tuned to future videos for those. All right. Awesome. Let's see what this looks like. Super cool. All right, Gwenpool. It's time to start cracking some jokes, breaking the fourth wall. It's that time. All right, thank you so much for watching Super Stuff Unboxed. We appreciate you. We'll catch you next time. Let's take some pics. Yeah.